festa do fim de semana.
Trouble right now.
Need something a lot bigger than your fists.
Baboon?
I didn't know you had a whale, would you?
Started following us back in the West Blue. Poor thing must have strayed from his pod. He was all alone in the open ocean. The crew started to get attached, especially when they realized how much little Laboon loves music.
Gather up all of the crew. It's time to ship out Prince's brew. Sing a song and play along, or all the oceans wide.
I'm surprised he survived the journey over Reverse Mountain.
Yeah, he's a tough little thing.
Not tough enough for the Grand Line, I'll wager. Beasts waiting in the depths to make an appetizer of him the moment you raise anchor.
Most of them have nowhere else to go.
We'll sail around the world on the Grand Line and return right back here from the other side of this mountain. I promise we'll be back after our adventures, and we'll have so many more when we reunite.
The other cowboys struggle to understand her thick accent and wild attitude. But over time, Tina has proven something important. She works just as hard as any of them.
Laboon's crew left. They never tell him. Laboon! You needed to know the truth! They're not coming back! Stop it! But it was no use. Now I do all I can to keep Laboon from hurting himself. As soon as the sedative wears off, he's back at it. He'll never accept that his crew's not coming back.